Hey, buddy. Shirt. Nice shirt.
Well, this is a dress. Go ahead. Stand up and show them your dress. Say, this is an outfit of the day. Say, outfit. Okay.
Woo, woo, woo.
Say, I got this from Target. Say, Target.
Target.
For my birthday. Yeah. No. Look. You're doing the outfit of the day. Say, wait. Stand up.
Here. I'm on it. Look, I'm on it.
You gotta hold it up. Mama, I think that's upside down.
Look.
You gotta turn it around. You gotta turn it around this way to read. Ooh. All right. Go ahead. Entertain.
Here, I'll show you.
Nope. Here, finish your video. Look.
Mommy, no.
All right, say bye-bye.
Mom, bye-bye.
Well, you not doing nothing. We gotta say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Blow a kiss.